On today's topic, we're going to be discussing a very concerning topic, right? Many people here, as the black society, we tend to ignore or see, like, we tend to ignore this topic, right? And it is concerning because at the end of the day, it is something that we do come across and then it shatters us and then it becomes a problem because we do not understand how these things go and how everything goes about, right? So today I would like to shed some light and yeah, awaken the masses towards that. So first things first, right? Okay, masiyashiya emhlabeni noma sekashonile angithi. After the passing of someone close or someone we know of, right? There's khona iy'hlahla thizeni ezisetshenziswayo bona umuntu mabahamba naye bamise emathuneni, right? Bahamba naye nesihlahla and then they talk to his tree, right? Lesi sihlahla lesi umlahlangosi yihlahla, thina sithi ihlahla angishuya ordinary beings sithi ihlahla thuzana. So leli hlahla-ke ilona-ke angisho lisetshenziswayo amathulathunywa sisuyumngcwaba-ke lapho siyumlalisa udokekala kuyumaqinakele and then mase sifika-ke lapho emathuneni ngqwatshwa-ke leli hlahla ngisho hlahla. So we do not do these things anymore and then asazi njengoshela imimoya iyasala endaweni thizeni kuyenzeka izinto thizeni kuba i-cycle kufa abantu like nje kuba nezinto eziningi angisho regarding that if we ignore that issue and then now it comes to this point of thing these things okay so it is not highly suggestible but in most cases people from the olden days bebakhambisana yonke into yabo nakusetshenziswa amanzi laphayana from the parlor, parlor sewasuqeda ukugeza lapha amanzi lawa ayochithwa nawe laphayana ethuneni lakho lapha because iyona insika kumaqinile lesi sihlahla lesi engikutshela ngaso lesi siwusetshenziswa lapha because iyona insika kumaqinile. So yizo izinto ezisetshenziswayo ezazisetshenziswa mandulo ezisetshenziswa namhlanje ezizosetshenziswa kusasa for years and generations to come. So yeah, it is how that process is done. So oxygen is like for everyone. It is a man, it is a woman, it is a child. Everyone will use that tree in the traditional way. And then now now sisifuna singene kule ndaba lena yokuthini yokugezwa, right? After the passing or the mourning, and masisicedile ukuzila after certain months or years, right? Masisicedile ukuzila, right? Kuzomele sesigezwe khishwe inzila so now when it comes to the topic now, I want us to understand this because a lot of people, right, they mislead the concept in they tend to against this right? So just to shed some light towards that, right? The cleansing depends on the person we are cleansing for, right? So yeah, the people are dirty, right? It is a male, and then it is a married female, and it is a female, right? So these are two people, right? So all of these three people, they use different herbs when it comes to cleansing and healing, right? And restoration. So it's cleansing, healing, and restoration. So if manje kuthiwa uyogezela umuntu mhlawumbe eselimele, if ugezela indoda yebo uzosebenzisa sona lesi sihlahla lesi umlahlangosi into ezongena kakhulu igxile kakhulu umgani umganiselo. Angazi-ke ngamanye amalimi ngiyibizani kodwa-ke umgani umganiselo, right? So now that tree angisho umshado, ingakho noma ufuna ukuthola umshado or anything you use that tree, umgani angithi. So yes, like ihlanganiswa nale mithi thizeni ukuthi uhlambulule imithi bese senahlambulula angisho uthuzane. So bese-ke kuba yini, kuba-ke lo muntu manje ongashadile cisgender noma umama nje kodwa angashadile angithi. So now when we cleanse this person now, sizofaka-ke lesi sihlahla lesi umtholi, right? So umtholi, right, umazwekazi ayithole angithi, and then ihlanganiswa nale mithi thizeni angithi kuthi ahlambuluke-ke lo muntu bese-ke aphenduka behluseleke angithi. So thina-ke what I've seen in most communities, right, it is that we only use ihlahla for everything. From namhlanje ihlahla, from gogo kusasa ihlahla. It is wrong because some other people besebenza esibhedlela bakulethele inkinga, uvulekile ngisho kube yisixaka kuwena, and then you don't get right. You always ask yourself what's beginning good. Can't take it that you missed it from this side. So it is crucial that we become aware of such things, and then we do, follow tradition and senzing isikhethu because it is who we are, right? Ilezinto lezi abokhokho mkhulu kumele abantu bashiye nazo ezinto angithi, and then nathi kuzomele sishiye nezizukulwane 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 zethu. So it is important and it is crucial that we do understand this, and then silungise iy'ndlela zethu because things are going bad. Things are going bad, and it's not that I'm a body. No, it's because we are doing the wrong things. So let's be careful about the things we do, and then let's be careful about the information we take too. That is it from me to you, to listen. Until next time, man. Be wise, protect yourself.